Can you guys hear us just fine? Okay, para sa mga pagod, you got here from work or from school or from whatever, errands you needed to run on a Saturday. And for those who are dreamers like me, I'm gonna share a bit more about that in the concert. For people who are longing for something more, who are asking why things happen to them, here's an assurance that someday it will all make sense. So this first song, soundtrack song I will sing for you is a song called "It All Makes Sense."